How to manage call history in Google Meet. First thing first, you're gonna have to go ahead and open up your Google Meet app, and then just make sure that you're logged in at the top right corner. As you can see, I am already logged into my account. So from here, what you need to do next is on the top left, you'll find the hamburger menu. Just tap on it, and then you'll find the settings icon. Once you land on your settings page, you will right away see the history option right below general. So go ahead and tap on this history option. And then here you have an option to auto delete. If you want to set the auto delete to certain time period like 3 months, 18 months, and 36 months, it will download all of your history within after these time periods. So this is the first menu that you can change. Then if you want, you could also delete all of your history from here directly. And if you want to export your history, you can do that as well. So that's how you can manage your call history in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.